Hello, my name is Rachel Seal. I am 78 years old. I've been taking TeloYouth for 7 months since December of 2025. I'm happier and people notice that I'm younger and prettier. My family noticed that I have better energy. I can walk for hours without feeling tired. I do workout 3 hours a week and do Zumba 5 hours a week. I am still running a CPA firm, and I can pay more attention to details and give out good advice to clients. Clients are happy.
Thank you, Rachel. Thank you.